So guys, I got a new oscilloscope today and thought I would test it out with a few different oscillator circuits. So this is a full can oscillator of 1 megahertz right here, and you could see over here if I press the measure button that it's at 1 megahertz. And then here's a crystal resonator that I built into this Colpitts oscillator. If I measure over here at this point, I could press this auto set button and you could see we have 10 megahertz and it is a 10 megahertz crystal. So then I will move this to this 555, which is at 5 hertz, and you could see it blinking on the LED there. Then I could press auto set, and I might have to adjust it myself a little bit because it's so slow. So I'll just adjust it. And you could see our nice square wave. And I'll press the measure button, and we could see about 4.8 hertz. So yeah, thought I'd show it to you guys, and I'm gonna learn a little bit more about how to use these. I only know the basics. I haven't used oscilloscopes too much other than using them in class. But yeah, I'll be sure to make more videos about that soon. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.